Are your words turning potential customers away? What if you could transform every sentence that you use into a sales magnet? Well, stick around because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to turn your words into effortless sales. Hello and welcome back to the Abundant Business Podcast. I'm your host, Samuel Chapman, and if you are ready to attract more of your perfect customers, boost your sales, and build unshakable confidence in every single one of your business decisions, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm revealing my step-by-step formula that transforms your messaging into a sales-generating machine. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We're going to begin with using emotion-driven language because people don't just buy products. They buy outcomes, they buy experiences, and they buy solutions. So instead of a boring description like hand-poured soy candle with lavender scent, 40-hour burn time, imagine saying unwind after a hectic day with the calming, soothing scent of lavender that turns your space into your own personal retreat. See, that sparks attention. It speaks directly to your customers' needs and gets them to perk their ears up and listen to what you have to say. Next, we want you to create a story. And here is where you share customer success stories or the story behind why you started in the first place. We want you to ask for reviews and encourage your customers to send you their user-generated content. This builds massive trust and connection between you and them. I want you to remember that every great brand has an authentic story that resonates with its audience. So we want you to know what yours is and then share it over and over again. You want your customers to know what the reason is behind your brand instantly. Now I want you to make it all about them, not about you, because your product is the tool, okay? Your customer is the hero. So instead of saying, we make all natural bath bombs, try saying, transform your bath into a luxurious spa-like experience with our nourishing, all natural bath bombs. Do you see the difference between the two here? The first one is all about you and what you do. And the second one is all about your customer. This simple change in the way you use your language makes all of the difference as to how a potential customer perceives what you're saying and how you can help them. So now we're going to move on to using power words that actually sell. Words like imagine, instantly, exclusive, proven, effortless, because, and so that are not just adjectives. They are catalysts for action. They help your audience to visualize, feel, and believe in the transformation that you and your product is offering them. So when you write your product descriptions, your social media posts, or any marketing for that matter, I want you to include a couple of those words and show your customer just how connected you are to them. So here is how to write a great product description that has been proven to turn browsers into buyers. First up, we want you to lead with the benefits. So for example, instead of saying 12-month undated planner with hardcover, say something like stay organized and stress-free with this sleek planner designed to simplify your everyday. Next up, we want you to use sensory language. So swap vanilla scented body lotion for wrap yourself in the warm, comforting embrace of vanilla. It's a cozy hug in a bottle. Now we want you to follow with that description. So here is where you can say exactly what's included, how much burn time your candle has, and any other details that your customer might need to know in order to get all of the information that they need. Here is now we next want to add social proof and include testimonials like Join thousands of happy customers who swear by our best-selling moisturizer. If you can't do that, include different reviews underneath instead. And now we want to instill clarity and confidence. And always display your prices and your guarantees clearly. And wrap it all together with a strong call to action. Like treat yourself today or grab yours before they sell out. So here is your challenge for today. I want you to choose just one product description on your website or one social media post and rewrite it using these strategies and then press publish. Don't want you to think that you have to overthink this, okay? And if you get stuck or if you want some extra information, tag me in your posts at Product Coach Sam on Instagram and I'll have a look through them and give you some feedback where I can. But before you go, make sure you check out the links underneath this video, where you will find my brand new book, Sell Smarter, Not Harder, Proven Strategies to Get Your Products Seen and Sold, along with loads of extra freebies down there too that are designed to boost your business even further. If this episode has helped you, please share it on your Instagram stories and tag me in it. I am on a mission this year to help as many product business owners as possible to achieve their biggest and brightest year in business. And I can only do that if you spread the word. So thank you for tuning in to the Abundant Business Podcast. Go on, transform your words into unstoppable sales. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.